Hello, welcome. In we are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services main exam. Question number 8B1 is what are the important properties of lubricant used in IC engine? Discuss their significance. So answer is the key properties of engine lubricants include viscosity, which resists flow, viscosity index, which describes viscosity stability with temperature, and thermal stability, which prevents oil breakdown at high temperature. Other important properties are corrosion prevention, for metal protection, detergency, dispersancy, for cleaning, anti-wear properties to reduce friction, and non-foaming characteristics for proper lubrication. These properties work together to reduce friction, cool engine parts, prevent wear and corrosion, and keep the engine clean, ultimately expanding its life and efficiency. So, we will discuss these properties in detail with their significance. So, important properties of lubricant. First is viscosity, and the significance is this is the oil's resistance to flow, and it's the most crucial property. Proper viscosity creates a strong lubricating film between moving parts, reducing friction and wear, and incorrect viscosity too high or too low can lead to difficult start, increased friction, or insufficient protection. Second property is viscosity index, and its significance is a high viscosity index means lubricant viscosity changes less with temperature. This is essential because engine operating temperatures fluctuate, and a high viscosity index ensures adequate lubrication across the entire temperature range from a cold start to high speed operation. Next property is thermal stability, and its significance is engine parts operate at extremely high temperatures, and the lubricant must withstand this heat without breaking down or degrading. Thermal stability ensures the lubricant maintains its properties and does not form harmful deposits. Next property is oxidation resistance, and significance is engine oil is exposed to air and high temperature, which can cause oxidation. Resistance to oxidation prevents the oil from thickening, forming sludge, and creating corrosive byproduct. Next is detergency or dispersantcy, and its significance is these additives have cleaning action. Detergents keep engine parts clean and by removing deposits and sludges, while dispersants keep insoluble contaminants suspended in the oil, preventing them from accumulating on crucial components. Next is anti-wear property significance. This property provides protection against metal-to-metal contact, especially under boundary lubrication conditions where oil film may be thin. Additives are used to create a durable film that shield engine component from wear and damage. Next is non-corrosive properties, and its significance is the lubricant must be non-reactive with various metal alloys used in the engine. It prevents the lubricant from corroding or degrading these sensitive surfaces, which could lead to leaks and component failure. Next property is pour point significance. The pour point is the lowest temperature at which the oil will still flow. A low pour point is necessary for the lubricant to remain fluid and provide protection during cold starts in cold environment. So these are the properties and their significance for lubricant used in IC engine.